Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V70 Vita, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's go to device unlock and go to face and fingerprint unlock. If you've got a regular screen lock like the pattern pin or password, it will be transferred to another step. If not, you have to add it right now. So let me choose the pattern, let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here let's tap on fingerprint. Here we've got the privacy data, some settings, maybe information. So if you wish, you can read it. Let me just tap on done. Let's tap on register. And here we've got the whole instruction, so we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button, which is right here. Whoa, sorry. So just tap on start enroll, and now let me put my finger on the sensor. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. It might take some time, so maybe just let me speed it up. Okay, we just successfully added the fingerprint. Okay, so as I said, we just added the fingerprint, so just tap on OK. So here the face unlock, it's completely up to you. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. If you wish, you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. And here you can decide what kind of functions you'd like to use with the fingerprint. So unlock your device, access to control apps, private space, simple touch. I will discuss simple touch in a second. Unlock method. So you can touch the power button while screen is off, or press the power button, and highly recommend to use the first option because it is much easier. And simple touch, basically you can use your fingerprint to open the specific app when the screen is locked. So you can assign a specific fingerprint to a specific app if you wish. You can do it if you want to. Alright, so now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.